Hey foodies, today I'm sharing 5 excellent ways to enjoy eggs. Whether you're making breakfast, brunch or dinner, these recipes are sure to impress. First up, classic scrambled eggs. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add a splash of milk or cream and whisk it up. Heat butter in a pan over low heat. Pour the eggs in and stir gently, folding them as they cook. Once soft and slightly creamy, remove from heat and season with salt, pepper and fresh herbs. For extra creaminess, add a little grated cheese before serving. Next, poached eggs. Heat water in a pot until just simmering, add a tablespoon of vinegar and gently slide in a cracked egg. Cook for 3 minutes, then remove with a slotted spoon. Serve on buttered toast, avocado toast or eggs Benedict with hollandaise sauce. For something heartier, try an omelette. Beat 2. 3 eggs with salt and pepper, heat butter in a pan and pour in the eggs. Once slightly set, add your favorite fillings, cheese, spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, you name it. Fold the omelette in half and cook until set. Use low heat for a fluffy, perfect omelette. Fourth, deviled eggs. Hard-boil 6 eggs, peel and cut them in half. Remove the yolks and mix with mayonnaise, mustard, salt and paprika. Spoon or pipe the mixture back into the egg whites and garnish with fresh herbs or crispy bacon bits. Add a little hot sauce for an extra kick. Finally, shakshuka. Heat olive oil in a pan and saute onions, garlic and bell peppers. Add canned tomatoes, salt, pepper, paprika and cumin, then simmer. Crack 4 eggs into the sauce and cover until eggs are set. Garnish with fresh parsley and feta cheese. Serve with crusty bread to scoop up the delicious sauce. So, which one will you try first? Enjoy your eggs in a new way every day. See you next time. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on delicious recipe ideas. Thanks for watching.